What's up, fitness fanatics? Feeling stuck in a rut? Want to break through those plateaus and finally achieve the physique you've been dreaming of? Today, we're cracking open the vault on a secret weapon, creatine. Buckle up because we're about to dive into a 100-day creatine journey and see what happens to your body. Creatine, your muscles' secret weapon. Imagine your muscles having their own personal battery pack. That's basically what creatine is. It's a natural substance your body already produces, but supplementing with creatine can take your workouts to the next level. Think of it like this. When you lift weights, your muscles use a molecule called ATP for energy. Creatine helps replenish those ATP stores faster, allowing you to push harder for longer. Different types of creatine exist, but creatine monohydrate is the most popular. We'll delve deeper into that in a future video. 100 days of creatine gains. All right, so you're pumped about creatine, but what exactly can you expect over 100 days? Buckle up, because we're about to unleash some serious gains. Strength like never before. Let's talk about the holy grail for many lifters, strength. Studies in real-life athletes swear by creatine's ability to boost your strength and power output. Imagine finally smashing through those plateaus and adding more weight to the bar. Here's the science behind it. Creatine helps your muscles fire faster and with more force, allowing you to dominate those heavy lifts. Building a sculpted physique. Getting stronger is awesome, but who doesn't want to see those gains reflected in the mirror? Creatine can be your muscle building BFF. It supports muscle protein synthesis, which is the fancy way of saying it helps your muscles grow faster. But remember, creatine isn't magic. You still need a proper diet and intense training to see those sculpted results. Recovering like a champ. Feeling sore after a brutal workout? Creatine can be your recovery knight in shining armor. It helps reduce muscle soreness and fatigue, allowing you to bounce back faster and hit the gym more frequently. Imagine training harder more often on our keys. That's the power of faster recovery. Brain gains? Hold on, there's more. Emerging research suggests creatine might even benefit your brain function, improving memory and focus. While more studies are needed, this is exciting news for fitness fanatics who want to sharpen their mental edge. Overall health boost creatine's benefits go beyond just gym performance. Studies suggest it might also help reduce the risk of injury, improve hydration, and even regulate blood sugar. Remember, these are additional perks with the main focus remaining on maximizing your workouts. 100-day creatine journey. What to expect? So, if you're ready to embark on your creatine adventure, here's a heads up. Initially, you might experience some water retention as your muscles get saturated with creatine. Don't panic, it's not fat. Peak benefits are typically felt within a few weeks to a few months, but individual results may vary. Creatine, friend or foe? Before you stock up on creatine, let's talk about some important considerations. Always consult a doctor or nutritionist for personalized creatine dosage and cycling recommendations. I would recommend you take 3 to 5 grams per day initially. Creatine is generally safe for healthy adults when used correctly, but some might experience mild side effects like stomach discomfort or water retention. These can often be managed. That's the creatine lowdown. We covered how it can boost your strength, build muscle, and even help you recover faster. Plus, there might be some brain benefits on the horizon. Remember, creatine is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Pair it with a solid diet and killer workouts to unleash your full potential. So smash that like button if you learned something new about creatine. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it and what your experience was like. And if you want more science-backed fitness content to help you reach your goals, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.